Introducing the brand new 2026 Ford F-150 XLT Supercrew. This powerhouse features a 157-inch wheelbase and is powered by the legendary 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, paired with an electronic 10-speed automatic transmission. Dressed in a stunning, iconic silver metallic exterior with a refined medium dark slate interior, this four-wheel drive beast is ready for any challenge. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. Whether you are hauling gear down to the Vetter River for a weekend of fishing or navigating the rugged Sumas Mountain backroads, this F-150 is built to lead the way. Check out the Equipment Group 302A, which includes LED side view mirror spotlights and a power-sliding rear window with defrost. This truck is equipped with the FX4 Off-Road Package, featuring essential skid plates for underbody protection. You also get the XLT Chrome Appearance Package, adding those sharp, angular, anodized running boards and 20-inch chrome-like physical vapor deposition wheels. People often ask, what kind of towing support does this specific model offer? According to the window sticker, this F-150 comes fully prepared with a dedicated tow and haul package, including an integrated trailer brake controller, Pro-Trailer Hitch Assist, and Pro-Trailer Backup Assist to make every job easier. Plus, you will love the added durability of the factory spray in Bedliner and the safety of the 360-degree camera system and adaptive cruise control. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.